Hello students, I am going to discuss one more problem on linearity, linear or non-linear system. So d square y of t by dt square plus 2t into y of t is equals to t square into x of t. So this is a different type of problem where the problem is involving the differentiation terms and two output terms y of t like this. So how to solve this type of problems? Okay, so first to solve this problem just we have to go through the definition. What is the definition of homogeneity? Homogeneity principle is nothing but the system has to produce the output y of t for the input x of t. If the input is x1 of t, output should be y1 of t. Sorry, it is a into x1 of t, it has to give the output a into y1 of t. Okay, next, what is superposition principle? Superposition principle is nothing but a system I am having. If I am having this is given input is x1 of t, output is y1 of t, the input is x2 of t, output is y2 of t. If I give the combined form of inputs, I have to get the combined form of outputs. Okay, so these are already we studied. Now just write down the principle. Transform of a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t is equals to a into transform of x1 of t plus b into transform of x2 of t. Okay, so here first for the input x1 I have to get the output y1, right? So first I am considering this equation which is on RHS side. Okay, just consider the given expression d into y square of t by dt square plus 2t y of t is equal to t square into x of t. Okay, so we know that for the input x1 of t, we have to get the output y1 of t, right? So if I replace x1 of t in a place of x of t, we have to write y1 in place of y of t. Okay, so d square y1 of t by dt square plus 2t into y1 of t is equal to t square into x1 of t. This is a given problem. Next, for the input x2 of t, what is output y2 of t, right? So here d square y2 of t by dt square plus 2t y2 of t is equals to t square into x2 of t. Okay, now simply what I am doing, I am combining, I am writing linear combination of above two equations. Okay, just I am combining this equation 1 and this equation 2. These two I am combining. Okay, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, I'll get d square y1 of t by dt square, and I am multiplying with a also, plus a into 2t y1 of t, plus for the second equation I am multiplying with b. Okay, b into d square y2 of t by dt square plus b into 2t into y2 of t is equals to a into t square into x1 of t plus b into t square into x2 of t. Okay. So what I did is I just multiplied the first equation with a and multiplied the second equation with b, because t transform of x1 of t is multiplied with a, transform of x2 of t is multiplied with b, and these two are added. The same thing I did. Just I have multiplied with a here, next I have multiplied with b here, and I have added LHS side and RHS side. Okay, this will give us the RHS side equation. Okay, now consider this as equation 1. So we have to check, now we have to get the LHS side equation. What is the LHS side equation? That is transform of combination of input. The input itself, it is added in the input side and we are giving to the system, and what is the output we have to see. Means wherever we are having the individual terms, those are added with the a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t. If x of t is there, you have to write a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t. If I am having y of t, you have to write a into y1 of t plus b into y2 of t, because x1 is giving the y1, x2 is giving the y2. Okay, because the equation is involving two y terms. Okay, so from this equation I am just writing the LHS side part. Wherever you are having the individual term, there you have to add, there you have to write both combination of inputs. So that is RHS side. So first write down the expression, that is d square y of t by dt square, given problem 2t y of t is equals to t square x of t. Okay, so wherever you are having x of t, that is replaced with a into x1 of t plus b into x of t is replaced with a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t, and wherever you are having y of t, that should be replaced with a into y1 of t plus b into y2 of t. Okay, you have to substitute this one and you have to compare the resultant equation with the first equation. If these two are equal, then the system is linear system. Okay, let us write down d square by dt square into, wherever you are having y of t, you have to write a into y1 of t plus b into y2 of t. So this is weighted sum of outputs, plus 2t into a into y1 of t plus b into y2 of t is equals to t square into a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t. Okay, now compare these two equations. You have to compare the equation 1 and equation 2 both on left side and right side. Okay, consider this as equation 2. Okay, if you observe the right hand side equation, equation 1 and equation 2 both are equal, but if you observe the left hand side, these two equations are not equal. So 1 is not equal to 2. So if you observe the equation a into t square, okay, on RHS side it is also equal, on LHS side also it is equal. Observe a into d square y1 of t by dt square, a into d square y1 of t by dt square. Next I am having b into d square y2 of t by dt square, b into d square y2 of t by dt square. Okay, if you observe clearly, left side terms also equal. So 1 is equal to 2. The system is linear system. Okay, thank you.